Welcome to Lift Tech Equipments. Introducing our CB Stacker driven with an electronic power steering and powered by a lithium-ion battery. Our CB Stacker can carry load of up to 1.2 tons and can reach up to a height of 4.5 meters. Since it is lithium-ion powered, we can assure you that our truck can be operated in multiple shifts with intermittent charging. Moreover, due to power steering provision, we also enable our truck to get operated in compact aisle width.
The maneuverability of the truck is backed up by a 1.5 kW power steering motor, making it climb a grade ability of up to 10%. With the help of this motor, our stacker can easily climb even dock levelers and travel inside the containers for loading purpose.